Hey everybody on a manic Monday. Oh Lord. So I got the pump out. Gonna have to scrape some of that gasket off. It's pretty stuck. So there were two holes with threads in them, and I just simply stuck a bolt in there and a washer, and I got a 10-pound slide hammer because I used to do body work for a living, and I just slide hammered it out. Everything stayed in place. Good for that. Hopefully it will. That brings us to this. My pump gear. And one thing I noticed about this gear is that part goes down. Part with the spacing. You can mess that up real quick if you ain't paying attention. That's where the torque converter locks into. So I took a 36mm impact socket. It doesn't have to be an impact socket. And it was a perfect fit for driving this pump bushing out. And this is the problem of my leak, for it blowing past the seal. Look at that joker. Oh my God. Look at it. I ain't destroyed it. This is the way it was when I took it out, because it came out clean. Look at that. That is just terrible. So that makes sense that fluid is blowing past my front seal. Yeah. Okay. I mean, it's really messed up here. Oh my God. So I'm not using the torque converter either, just because of that. That's what the torque converter rides in. I bought a brand new BM1, 2000, 2500 stall, something like that. But it comes with the seal and the bolts. Even though I have the bushing, the seal, the O-ring kit and all that coming. Here's the O-ring. It was broke, and it is hard as a rock. Alright. So I'm going to blow this out right here, clean it out. The surface here I'm going to have to clean up, polish just a little bit, as much as I can. Yeah, this transmission's old dirt, but it shifts good. Look at it. It shifts damn good. And this little jewel here with the spring is right here. And it only lines up one way, so this will fall into place all by itself. I'm not going to use any grease or anything. And a little bit of rust there too. Damn it, man. This thing sat for a long time, I guess in the field or something. Ain't no telling. All I know is the front tires on it when I got it. The tread was falling off the tire. That's how dry rotted and old they were. And the rims were about up past the bead, full of dirt. Yeah, so this is where we're at. Get me some 1500 grit and just sand this just a little bit, clean it up. Do some brake clean it up. Wait for my parts today. Like I say, this was perfect. This drove the front seal out so easy, and hopefully, look at this, I'll be able to use this end to try to seal back in. And I mean, it was easy, you know what I mean? I see people on YouTube, they're like, got these tools and they're using a bottle jack and all that, but man, it was so easy. There's lots of easier ways around it. But anyway, all right, we're gonna wait on parts. We're gonna clean this up, and hopefully I'll be riding on Wednesday. Y'all take care of triple digits heat coming this way this week. Great when you got a lift in the transmission jack, but you need that when you're old as hell like me. And even if the stall is a little more than I need and it creates heat, if you're going to get a transmission cooler, just get a gigantic one and be done with it. Yep, that'll keep the fluid cool. Alright, Alright, so, okay, I did cut the ears off. These were kind of hitting the exhaust. I don't know if I already posted this or not, but they're gone now, so it's going to be easy. I got this seal and the tool. I have this seal coming. This didn't leak, but I'm changing it anyway. Modulator seems fine. I did this with it in the car. It had a pinhole in it, as you saw. I have resealed the transmission pan, new gasket, and some RTV, so shouldn't have a leak there. Yeah, this thing's nasty. And it's gonna be nasty when it goes back in the car too. Oh Lord. Brakes and stuff coming, new shocks, all that. Lord have mercy. One day, let me ride. Catch y'all later. I'm gone.